Okay guys, second to last chapter, we're almost there. I'm going to explain to you the Pythagorean theorem briefly, and then you can do the homework. Pythagoras was a clever guy who lived many years ago, and he figured out that if you have a right triangle, in other words, this one must be a 90 degrees angle, okay, and you have this side and you have this side, you can get that side. Okay? If you have 2 or 3 sides, you can always get the third side. How do we do that? He said that one side is always called the straight side. It's called the leg, and we call that one A. The other side is called the other leg. We call that one B, the straight side. The 2 sides that form the 90-degree angle. They're called A and B. The third side is the one that's always skew, and that is what we call the hypotenuse. We call that one C. Now, if you swap B and A around, that really doesn't matter. But you must remember that this side is C. Okay? Otherwise, you'll get confused. So he said that A squared plus B squared gives us C squared. So if we have A and B, we can just plug in and we can say A squared plus 4 squared gives us C squared. Now A squared we know is 64. 4 squared is 16. That gives us 6 squared. So that's, we get 80. 64 plus 16 is 80. So we find the root of 80. That would be C. So we root both sides. C squared rooted, 80 rooted. So C becomes 8.9. Okay? 8.9. Now here at this point you may use your calculator because you have to get the root of 80. Okay, and that would be the answer for C. So if any of the sides are missing, we can change this around. For example, I'm just quickly going to show you. If I was given that this side is, let's just round it off to 9, if this side is 9 and I don't have that, then it means I have C and I have A but I don't have B. And then I would go and I would say A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Okay, and then we can say we have C, we have A, so C squared minus A squared is equal to B squared. And then we would say C squared is 9 squared minus 8 squared is equal to B squared. Okay, now 9 squared is 81 minus 8 squared, which is 64. That is B squared. Okay, now what is 81 minus 64? Let's quickly see. That gives us 17. B squared. So B squared is 17. So I'm going to get the root of 17. And the root of 17, okay, you can figure it out yourselves, but that would be the answer for B. Okay, the root of 17. Okay? A different way in which the textbook